YouTube, welcome to the free video smart-money.trade connected to Tradingview. I'm thinking to short it to quantity at 13,170. That's the level that was rejected before, so I'm going to go ahead and place my order to sell right here, and we'll see if we can get filled. Hoping I don't get front run by someone and then get shorted. So let's see. Yeah, I am going to just leave the order and hopefully I'll get the fill, and then my target is 13,000. That's where I will probably go ahead and take that off. So that's about 170 points on two contracts. That's pretty good for the day. Hopefully, we get filled, and that's what it is. I'm not going to go ahead and market the order here because it's having a hard time to go up, but whatever. That's not how it works. The system you got to follow. You have to make sure that it's rejected from the right point. If someone is gonna front run me and sell it, then probably not my day to trade. Rather just be in green and not pay any commission money than take the front run trade and then kind of get my stop loss wide, and that's not that's not what we sign up for. That's not why we create a system. That's not smart-money.trade exists. So I'm gonna wait here and see if we can actually get the order to be filled. If not, then that's fine. There's a day. Tomorrow is a day. We're gonna have a Fed meeting tomorrow, so hopefully there will be more volatility. Catch something there. Yeah. So I'll leave you guys with it. Please go ahead and visit us at smart-money.trade. Sign up for our trial on the website. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram. We have a free Discord. Come join us, and we will see you over there. Thanks for watching. Like us, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching again. Thanks.